Ah, look, look, look. Wait, there's my tracks. Wait. There's some people. There's the street. What is going on here? There's wolves over here. Oh my God. This is crazy. Not a good idea. Why is he backing up? Oh, God. What's wrong with these people? Why are they backing up? Look at that. I mean, that's a block and a half away from my house. This is just too fucking much. There's nobody out. There's all this shit all over the goddamn thing. Is this bar open? It is, right? Wow. Oh. Alright, we're just gonna go back. Oh, man. This is brutal. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. Oh, man. I walked all day in this stuff. Now, just this little bit. That's a lot of snow, huh? Damn, and then the whole thing is getting all clogged up. There they go. There this guy goes. How's he gonna go? Is he gonna go? No. Am I gonna go? Look up there.